Hey guys, it's Ashley from Untitled Chapter Reviews, and today we're unboxing Lady of Light. This is a subscription with sacred gifts for spiritual living. It is described as a rare metaphysical handcrafted box with items from around the world with like 60% off retail value. So that's really interesting. They do have a coupon code, all caps welcome 5 for $5 off your first box. They do have like 5 different box options, I think. And I don't know which one this is. I might not even be able to figure it out in this video. I might have to do that in my full review. I'm going to link to that below. I will also link to the Lady of Light box so you can check them out. They do have a few different options. So it starts at $9.95 as the Priestess box. Then there's the Goddess box, which is $35. Then there's the Deluxe Goddess, which is $70. But then there's also the Deluxe Goddess Quarterly box, which is $70 every 3 months. So then you're only getting a box 4 times a year in case you don't want to incur a bigger fee every month. So we're going to find out what's in here together. I love these boxes, right? And this box is actually really beautiful. Ooh, so I think this is the Goddess box. So this is the $35 box. Hold on, my mom is calling me. So anyway, this is the Goddess box. It does say that right here. Tell a friend, and both of you will receive a free gift when they sign up for their own Lady of Light Goddess subscription box. So there's that. All right. This is, now I believe this is the May box, just because I do. This month we celebrate Heket, the ancient Egyptian frog-headed goddess of femininity, fertility, and resurrection. In this box you will find, we're not going to peek, but there's a whole lot of information about the items. There's information about Heket. So they go in depth here. You're not just getting a box of items, so you have to figure it out on your own. Affirmations for the month. Oh, and it's signed by the lady who curates it. That's so sweet. Affirmations for the month. I honor my intuition. I am determined and successful in pursuing my goals. I manifest with creativity. We hope that you are enjoying your Heket Goddess subscription box and look forward to surprising you with the next Goddess box. White light and bright blessings to you, Juliana from the Lady of Light. I'm excited. Are you guys excited? Ooh. Ooh, how cool. I hope I remember the name. This an Ankh? Is that it? If I'm not right, you guys will correct me. You always do. So there's this super nifty box. Look at this. It's like a jewelry box. Look at it, how pretty. So it's an Ankh, right? If I'm not right, maybe we'll look at the page before we end the video too. All right. Then we have from Top Collection. Oh, it's a little frog on a lily pad. Frog meditating on lotus. How cute is that? All right, hold on, let me get in here. Let me get in here and see what we got. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. Isn't he adorbs? Isn't it cute? Alright, so there's that. I like that. It's so cool. I love that box. Then we've got a little, looks like, either an incense burner or like a smudge bowl. And it's a frog, which is really cool. Ooh, there's so much in here. Ooh, a charm. What looks like a nautilus. I don't know if I'm right, though. You know those animals that live in like the ocean, those circular animals? And then like has this like cool, oh, neat. Oh, I love it. Ooh, with stones. Oh. I'm so excited. I can hardly contain it. All right, let's see. My cat's here somewhere. I don't know if she was in the beginning. She's been in all my videos so far. I've been making a whole bunch. She'll pop out at any minute now. Oh my gosh. Ooh, what is it? Oh, it's an egg shape though, and it's kind of green, but also clear. Ooh, we're going to find out. We'll look at that paper then, because I'm going to need it. Ooh, a cuff. Look at this. Everything in this box I'm in love with. I'm like, yes, this is my kind of box. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Ooh, so pretty. It's got flowers on it. Let me show you. You can adjust it too. It's got like an adjustableness here. I feel like it has like like one of those plastic peel things. I can kind of hear it, but I can't find it. Anyway, there it is. How beautiful is that? All right, next we have Precious Patchouli Incense Cone. See, I think this is for incense because You put it in there. Then we've got Aura Song Meditation Tools, Nurture a Dream, Handcrafted Hand Soap. So this is a little, like a soap that looks like golden eggs in a nest. They use, it looks like all organic ingredients in here. I don't really smell anything, but I probably would have to open it up. All right, this is also from Aura Song. This is a Moon Moisture Bar, Handcrafted Solid Body Lotion Bar. I love these. I told you guys this just a couple days ago. Oh, and it's a moon face. How? Oh, it's just like it's like almost like unscented, like very mildly scented. But look at that face. Isn't that so cool? All right, so let's look at our little paper and find out what we got here. Where'd my box go? Okay. All right. An Egyptian-inspired wooden decorative keepsake box with an ankh. An adorable spring frog figurine. We know what that is. A frog cone incense holder. An opalite. That is opalite, that little stone. An exclusive Nurture a Soap Dream soap. That soap is exclusive to this box. As well as the lotion bar. A lovely flower bracelet to welcome summer. A pack of cone incense. A silver-plated green aventurine and ammonite. So it's green aventurine and ammonite pendant. Ammonite is a type of fossilized shell that is associated with our ability to transition, transform, and progressively grow towards our ultimate goals. Green aventurine is associated with the ability to heal the pain of our heart and soul, as well as support our financial growth. So that is everything that I received in my Lady of Light box. What do you guys think of this? I think it's amazing. If you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. We'll also link to Lady of Light so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.